guys. Okay, today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm box for the month of October. If you're unfamiliar, Boxycharm is now $25 a month starting in November. Before it was $21, it is going up to $25 starting in November, but this is a monthly box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. However, I've never gotten 4. I've always gotten 5 to 6. So this is what the box looks like. And let's just open it up. It says Boxycharm, Hello Charmer. You open it up and this is what mine looks like. We have a little paper and I got variation. Okay. It doesn't say what variation I got. There's no way to tell me what variation I got. However, in the inside it does say what the products are and the full size value. So once I remove that, this is what my box looks like. The first thing I am seeing is by Cello, which is a brand I have heard of from Boxycharm before. And these are tweezers. Now, I'm not mad at this at all. I love getting tweezers because I always seem to lose mine and they always seem to dull down, so I am not mad at that. They come all nicely wrapped up in this little plastic case. And if I can get these out, these are what they look like. They're like a rubbery gray, and they are slanted. These will be really, really nice, and I do like that they have like a grip on them. I really, really like these, and they just say Cello on them. Let's see how much those retail for. Cello slanted tip tweezers, they are $20. Okay, I would not pay $20 for tweezers, but we did get those. And the next thing I'm seeing is by Iconic London, which is a brand I have heard from, and this is a lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. Ooh, 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 I'm so excited. I love plumping glosses. I wear one just about every day. Ooh, and it's a very, very pretty shade. Looks like that, very neutral. Ooh, and it smells very minty, which I do like. We will see if it plumps up on my hand, because you can usually feel the tingliness. But this retails for $26, which is pretty pricey. Iconic London is a pricey brand though, but I'm not mad at that at all. And the next thing we have is by Touch and Soul. This is the Glass Pretty Fitter Glassy Skin Balm. It says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It says as the last step of a skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy and glowy skin. Applying 2 or 3 times allows for even longer lasting wear. Okay, I love Touch and Soul. It's a brand we have gotten a lot in Boxycharm. We tend to get a lot of their primers, but this is another one, and I love the packaging. Then you open it up, and this is what it looks like. Love, love, love it. It twists off, okay? And it looks like this, and then you have this little safety seal, and it just looks like a hydrating primer. Looks kind of like a moisturizer. Smells really good. It doesn't have a terribly, strong scent, but it does smell really good. We have a little bit. Let's see what this would look like. So it's just a clear primer. You blend it in and it gives a nice glow to the skin. Okay, not mad at that at all. Like, you can see that glow. Very, very pretty. I will definitely get some use out of that. I love glowy primers. Let's see how much that retails for. It says Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. $32, which is pretty standard for Touch and Soul. But let's pull up the next thing, which comes all wrapped up like this, and okay, and this is by Skin & Co. So the Aqua Illuminating Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. I have this. It smells like peppermint. I haven't used the one I have, but I am not mad to receive another one. I do love skin mists. I might just throw this in a giveaway because I do already have one. But that retails for $35. And last but not least, looks like this all wrapped up. And this is an eyeshadow palette by Dose of Colors, which I'm super excited about. I love Dose of Colors eyeshadows, but this is in Baked Browns. Not necessarily shadow shades I would, gravitate towards if I was getting a palette. However, we will do some swatches and see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so I opened mine up. You get a little brush, and the brush came out, but you can see there's shadow on my brush. I'm not a big fan of dual-ended brushes, which that is. It comes with a little plastic thing, but you open it up and you can see some of the shadows kind of got a little dirty. However, these are the shades. Honestly, I'm not mad at them. All of them are matte, and they are super, super creamy. Like, as soon as I'm dipping my finger into them, they are kind of crumbling almost. Super, super soft. I love Dose Colors shadows. But you get 5 shades, and those are the 5 shades. This top one you can't really see because it is kind of my skin tone. However, those are the shades. Not mad at it. You do get a little mirror, super cute. I definitely will get some use out of this. Since it's fall time, these are kind of shades I'm gravitating towards. And when I'm in a hurry, I just throw one shade in the crease, and that is my look. So I'm not mad at that. And that retails for $32. That is pricey for a 5-pan eyeshadow, but I'm not mad at it at all. Honestly, you guys, this is probably one of the best boxes I've gotten from Boxycharm. We've got a Dose of Colors eyeshadow. We have a Touch and Soul primer, which I love Touch and Soul. Tweezers, which I needed and I'm not mad to get. A plumping gloss, which I didn't feel any of the plumpiness on my hand, but you never know, it could be different on the lips, but it is in a really pretty nude shade. I will definitely get use out of that. And a skin mist, which, like I said, I'm not mad to receive, even though I already have it. However, that is all. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this is worth the now $25 a month? If so, let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. However, that is all, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.